Hey everybody, I'm Nick, Hawk Pro Detailing. These are critical to your detailing life for three very simple reasons. They work, they're very versatile, and third, they're just fun. I want to show you these Detail Factory brushes in action. Here we are, a nice little kid mobile. Yes, my wife's car, we have kids. They get in here all the time and do their thing. You can use your all-purpose cleaner of choice. I just think, when I said it was fun, I'm like, if it's fun, you're gonna do it. If it's easy and you're gonna use it, it's better than it being hard and it being perfect. I guess I'm just saying, like, you are gonna have so much fun using this aerosol spray can. I have been loving this from Super Clean on floor mats and even on interiors. Let's foam it up. And then I just love the look of foam as I'm cleaning interiors. So it's just nice to get it worked in. You know what's interesting about this aerosol spray can is it foams up a lot. The foam doesn't last forever, but it's okay because I know it's cleaning very well for me. So I'll just do a nice wipe down here. And for the most part, that has cleaned this particular area. I could go in, say, into here where I know it's going to be gunky and just use the boar's hair brush. Now if you had a steamer or an air compressor, sure, you know, you could blow this out first, but I'm kind of interested in like reaching people, you know, where they are. And if you're just sitting at home, you can spend 10 bucks on a brush and, you know, whatever Super Clean charges for these aerosol bottles, 8 bucks or something. And you can do a great job of cleaning out the inside of your car, and it can still be fun. And what's amazing about this blue one is it's just ultra soft. So I'm not necessarily going on the most delicate Maserati interior here, and if I were, I would probably be using something a lot less aggressive than a spray-on all-purpose cleaner like this. But there's a time and a place for everything, and you just have to be real careful with where you're spraying things, I think. I mean, that's just common sense. But anyway, this is a safe enough brush for, you know, the nicest of interiors. And so you've got the option of being ultra soft, ultra safe, or still being really safe, but having just a little bit more muscle. These are just a little bit firmer brushes, and I'm going to show you just how they can work on other spots of the car right now. This is where the foaming just really shines. Lug nut areas, you grab the boar's hair brush and you can just get in there so nicely. And then if you wanted to, if you were just excited about this whole process, you could clean the whole wheel this way. But isn't that just satisfying? You know, if you really wanted to, you go in there with your blue guy, no big deal. But this just has a little bit more oomph, it has a little bit more firmness to get into the nooks and crannies and help you on exterior situations like this. Let's talk about Emblems now, shall we? Again, I'm a huge fan of the Super Clean aerosol foamer, because what it does, it just gets right to the point. Now I could use this for a little bit more of an aggressive application, but in my head I'm still thinking about the fact that this is paint. And so what's as good as I need it to be for any interior should also be fairly safe for the exterior. So this works great for those front grill areas that you think are going to come clean. They're black or plastic or whatever, and they just kind of dry faded. Well, you didn't get in there and actually agitate a chemical on there and then properly dry it. But if you're into cleaning off your emblems, or if you're really having a tough time with residue, you know, stuck in there, this is a good first step. I mean, sometimes if you've got gunk in there from a bad polish that they're waxed and this wasn't removed, worst case scenario, you may need a real heavy hitter degreaser and steam. But you know, where you can start is an all-purpose cleaner like Super Clean, foamed up, and a nice gentle brush there. So, you know, the possibilities are endless. You've got the nooks and crannies In emblems like this, you've got grills you can work on, you've got wheels, and then on the interior, you know, from air vents to cleaning the sides of doors, I mean, you know, to console areas, this thing is a true star. So you've got just like a triple whammy here. They're affordable, they're fun to use, and they are really versatile. They work really well on a lot of things. If I were gonna get one, I would just get the blue one. I've recently added the orange ones, and they are a lot of fun to use, especially when you're going after a more aggressive job. Here's what I'm gonna say. If you're just starting out with detailing, you might just want this and an all-purpose cleaner. Eventually though, you're gonna wanna get a steamer, and that's the next video I'd love for you to watch. 5 reasons why you need a steamer for auto detailing. You're gonna see how when the brushes won't cut it, sometimes you need the steam, and it can do miracles for you. So we'll see you over there, and thanks again for watching.